Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be making some delicious dinner rolls. These soft and fluffy rolls are a simple and satisfying choice for a great baking day. So, let's get started. You can find all the measurements in the description box below. Alright, let's begin. Dinner rolls are small, soft bread rolls, typically round or oval in shape, served as a side dish, especially with dinner. They are popular due to their soft texture and pleasant taste. First, we'll combine our dry ingredients in a bowl. That's our flour, yeast, sugar, salt, and milk powder. Dinner rolls are generally smaller than regular bread and are easy to hold. Their common shape is round or oval, but they can also be made in other shapes. Next, we'll prepare our mashed potato. Make sure it's really smooth and fluffy. Add the mashed potato to the dry ingredients. The texture of dinner rolls is soft and tender, making them easy to chew. The taste of dinner rolls is usually neutral, allowing them to complement a variety of dishes. Making dinner rolls is quite simple and begins by mixing the ingredients and kneading the dough. The dough is then left to rest for a specific period to double in size. After that, the dough is divided into small pieces and shaped as desired. Finally, the dinner rolls are baked in the oven until they are golden brown. Dinner rolls come in various types, each with a different taste and texture. Some common types of dinner rolls include plain dinner rolls. This is the simplest type of dinner roll and is usually made with white flour, yeast, water, salt, and sugar. Butter rolls. In this type of dinner roll, a larger amount of butter is used, making the rolls softer and more flavorful. Garlic and cheese rolls. This type of dinner roll is prepared by adding garlic and cheese to the dough, resulting in a very delicious flavor. We'll add warm water and mix until a dough forms. Vegetable rolls. In this type of dinner roll, chopped vegetables such as chives, parsley, and dill are used. Dinner rolls can be consumed alone or with a variety of foods. Some common uses of dinner rolls include with soup and salad. Now, let's add our softened butter and mix everything together. Dinner rolls are served as a delicious accompaniment to soups and salads. Dinner rolls can be consumed with various main courses such as steak, chicken, and fish. Dinner rolls can be sliced and filled with various ingredients to make sandwiches. Types of dinner rolls based on region and culture. Ciabatta rolls. Originating from Italy, these rolls are known for their crispy crust and soft interior. Brioche rolls. French brioche rolls have a rich, buttery texture and are often served for breakfast or as a snack. We'll let the dough rest in a warm place until it doubles in size. This can take up to 2 hours depending on the temperature of your kitchen. Remember to cover the bowl to prevent the dough from drying out. Hamburger buns. These rolls are specifically designed for hamburgers and are popular due to their soft texture and ability to absorb sauces. Once the dough has risen, divide it into 16 equal pieces, about 50 grams each. Dinner rolls are served as a delicious accompaniment to creamy soups and seasonal salads. Dinner rolls can be consumed with steak, chicken, fish, and other main dishes. Dinner rolls can be sliced and filled with various ingredients such as meat, cheese, vegetables, and sauce. Small dinner rolls can be served with garlic butter or various dips. The ideal temperature for baking dinner rolls is usually between 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. Baking time depends on the size of the dinner rolls and the type of oven. It usually takes between 15 to 25 minutes. Before placing the dinner rolls in the oven, you can brush them with milk or egg wash to give them a shiny, golden surface. Shape each piece into a ball. Fresh dinner rolls can be stored at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. Freeze the dinner rolls completely after cooling and place them in the freezer. Before consuming, let them thaw at room temperature. Variety and flavor. You can create various flavors by adding different ingredients such as cheese, vegetables, spices, and nuts to the dough. You can decorate dinner rolls using sesame seeds, black cumin, or poppy seeds. Grease your baking dish and arrange the dough balls as shown in the video. Some bread machines have the ability to bake dinner rolls. A brief history of dinner rolls. Ancient origins. The concept of small, individual bread loaves served alongside meals can be traced back to ancient civilizations like Egypt and Rome. These early forms of dinner rolls were often made from simple ingredients like wheat flour, water, salt, and yeast, and were baked over open fires. Over time, dinner rolls evolved in shape, size, and flavor, influenced by regional culinary traditions and available ingredients. In Europe, for example, different countries developed their own unique styles of dinner rolls, such as the French brioche and the Italian ciabatta. The development of yeast technology in the 19th century played a significant role in the popularity of dinner rolls. Yeast-based doughs allowed for lighter, fluffier textures and a wider range of flavors. The Parker House roll, a classic American dinner roll, gained popularity in the 19th century. Known for its soft, buttery texture and distinctive shape, it became a staple at many American tables. Take the remaining dough, divide it into 8 pieces, and place them between the balls. Today, dinner rolls continue to evolve and adapt to different cultures and tastes. From the soft and fluffy dinner rolls of the American South to the hearty, crusty rolls of European cuisine, there's a wide variety of options to choose from. The choice of the right ingredients has a significant impact on the taste, texture, and overall quality of dinner rolls. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in shaping the final product. Let's examine the impact of each ingredient. Flour. Type of flour. Wheat flour, whole wheat flour, and white flour each give the bread a different texture and flavor. Cover the dish and let it rest for another hour. Whole wheat flour provides more fiber and a richer flavor. White flour gives the bread a softer texture and lighter color. Before baking, brush the rolls with milk and sprinkle with sesame seeds and black sesame seeds. The amount of flour determines the dough's stickiness. More flour creates a stiffer dough and a denser bread. Type of yeast. Active dry yeast, instant yeast, and fresh yeast each have different activation methods and impacts on the fermentation process. The amount of yeast determines the speed of dough rising and the volume of the bread. More yeast causes the dough to rise faster and the bread to have a larger volume. The temperature of the water affects the activity of the yeast. Warm water is the best temperature for activating yeast. The amount of water determines the moisture content of the dough. More water creates a softer and more moist bread. Salt enhances the flavor of the dough and makes the flavors of other ingredients more pronounced. Salt strengthens the gluten and gives the dough structure. Sugar is food for yeast and causes the yeast to activate faster and the dough to rise better. Butter or oil makes the texture of the bread soft and tender. Milk, eggs, milk powder. These ingredients enrich the flavor and texture of the bread. Honey, molasses. These ingredients give the bread a sweet flavor and color. Spices. Spices like cinnamon, ginger, and cardamom give the bread a variety of flavors. Important points. Maintaining the correct ratio of ingredients is crucial for optimal results. Using fresh and high-quality ingredients results in better taste and texture. Ambient temperature affects the speed of dough rising. Allowing sufficient time for the dough to rise is essential for creating the desired texture. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. By carefully selecting ingredients and maintaining the correct proportions, you can create dinner rolls with the desired taste and texture. Experience and trial and error also play a significant role in improving your bread-making skills. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support my channel.